Hi, my name is Basil. I'm a grade 8 student of Lyceum International School, Wattala. This is the self-driving car I made. So I started it in grade 3 by building small projects from scratch. And eventually I wanted to build a self-driving car like this one. While building this, I looked into very advanced models like Teslas and other real-world self-driving cars, which are written in very advanced ways. But this is a custom build and a simple self-driving car model written in Python programming language. So up to now, I didn't use any advanced libraries like ROS, TensorFlow, OpenCV, and etc. Because I wanted this car to be fully customizable and written in the way I want. So now, let me explain the functions of this car. So if you put this car in terrain with a lot of obstacles, this car has the ability to detect and choose the direction with the least obstacles and move in that direction. So while moving, if it detects another obstacle, it has the ability to stop and reverse and choose the direction and go in that direction. So now, let me explain the parts of this car. So the main part of this car is the brain. It's a Raspberry Pi. So inside this, there's a code which acts as the brain of this car. And over here, we have a sensor. It's a LiDAR sensor. It is the sensor which detects all the distances. And underneath, there's a servo motor. This helps in turning the LiDAR sensor. And over here, there's another servo motor. It is used to steer the front wheel. And behind the car, there's another servo motor used to steer the rear wheel. And also, underneath the car, there's another DC motor which act as the car engine. And on top, there are various kinds of other circuit boards. For example, here is the PCB board, where all the servos are gone and connected. And here it's a motor driver, where the DC motor is gone and connected. And here, there's a voltage reducer for the Raspberry Pi. And here another voltage reducer for the LiDAR sensor. And here another one for the PC board. So now we are going to do a demo. As you can see, everything is connected to the battery. And all the circuits are powered up. You can see indications from LEDs as well. So basically now this car is ready for a test run. So before we begin, let me explain how this whole thing is set up. So in order to run this car, we need a client and a server. So right now, as the client, we have a code. We have client code inside this brain. As the server, we have an additional computer over here. You can see. So basically, the server and the client, they both are connected using Wi-Fi and using a protocol called WebSocket. So there are two commands given by the server so that the client can understand. The commands are start and stop. So if I type start or start in the server, the client will receive it. And then the client code gives instructions to the brain saying to start the full self-driving method. So if I say stop, the client code receives it and it gives instruction to the brain to stop the car. So while the start and the stop commands are given, the car has the ability to drive on its own, avoiding obstacles. So now, I'm going to show you giving the start command and let's see how this car works. So now I typed start and let's see how this car works. So as you can see, it's moving forward. So let's try hitting an obstacle. So it reversed. So now it's choosing the direction going forward. So let's see how it chooses the direction. See, it went in the direction with the least obstacles. So let's see another example. Very good question.